Hi guys, in today's video I am going to show you how you can download voice message from Messenger on PC. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook and you need to log in into your account. So once you log in, click on the Messenger icon, and once you are in the inbox, let me select any conversation. So once you are in conversation, here are messages. So you simply need to click the right mouse cursor, click on inspect, and once you are here you simply need to click on network, and once you are here you simply need to select media and play the audio. Okay, so now this audio is here because I played that fully. You need to double click here, and now you need to download this. Okay, open folder, and now this is in your PC. So this is a process that you need to follow to download voice message from Messenger on PC. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.